Now we will see how to run the application. So we will check for dependencies. Like first we have to create the environment like env or something similar, and we should make sure that you have credentials for authentication with Google Authenticator to access the API. Our authenticated file is here, so it must be present. Of course, .env where your API keys for ChatGPT and a path for this credential file is there. Now we will open VS Code. So it is opening. Wait a minute. So now it is opened. Now we have everything. See, .env file has been brought here. Now we will activate the environment. We will go to terminal and we will go to /framework. This will activate the environment. First, then we will go with rasa run enable API chorus so that our app can communicate with front end, and it runs on a port 5005. Now we need to open another terminal because we need to run action server also. So we will go to rasa framework. This will activate the environment. Then we will do rasa run actions. So this will be running action server on the port 5055. It is starting. It is not started yet. Wait. So okay. Once the action server is up, now it's running. Now we can open our front end and go to index.html to start interacting with the app. We can now communicate with app by entering message like hi in the front end, so that it's set for the connection.